There we go. A little better maybe. A little crooked, I guess. We'll get it straight. See all the hay lined up. Beautiful, beautiful day. Big puffy clouds in the distance. And then there's another field over here. You can see. And there is actually several fields that he'll be doing. But just to give you an idea. This is the pasture where Spooky and Emmy live. It's very close to the house. And they're pretty happy. They hang out real close to each other, brother and sister. Hey guys. All right. You don't like being on camera? Huh? You like being on camera? What do you think? Not so sure? All right, see you guys later.